All right, here's the hint for the question number 2. You should already have the definition of what oxidation is in terms of electrons, oxygens, and hydrogens. And now we're going to apply that to these things here. So oxidation is one half of a redox reaction. So therefore, you can identify which species is being oxidized based on this information. The first question here, what have we got here? So we have magnesium solid reacting with carbon dioxide, and that's forming magnesium oxide and carbon solid. The thing that's going to be oxidized here, just by looking at it, you can see that the magnesium has gained the oxygen. What that means is, by this definition here, it is being oxidized. So magnesium solid, okay, is being oxidized as it has gained oxygen. That's how you would understand that this is actually being oxidized. Okay, let's have a look at another one, and let's have a look at, let's go with this guy here. All right, let's go with number E. Now, number E here has got this C2H6O, which is actually ethanol, but you're not to know that. But you can see this here is turning into this guy here. So you can see the ethanol, the C2H6O, has lost the hydrogen. What that means is that is, again, oxidation. So in this case, we have C2H6O is being oxidized as it is losing hydrogen. So again, just applying these definitions to what you can see in our reaction. Now let's pretend I didn't see the hydrogen there. Let's have a look at this manganese. What's this manganese doing? This manganese is going from 7 positive down to 2 positive. Okay, so what that means is it must be gaining electrons. Because the charge is going down, it must be gaining negative things. So therefore, what that is, that's the opposite of oxidation, because oxidation is loss of electrons. The manganese is gaining electrons. That means that's being reduced. Therefore, it must mean that this here is being oxidized, which it is, as we proved, because it lost hydrogen. But that's just another way of looking at it. If you can't identify the thing that based around this stuff here, if you can identify one of them as being reduction, that means the other thing must be being oxidized. Hopefully that makes sense to you. Have a go at the rest of them and see what you come up with, and then check your answers in the solutions.